They don't wanna see me bored, nigga. They don't check up on me, they don't even call, nigga. Couple bitches out here say I'm off the wall, nigga. Fucking up the trap money in the mall, nigga. Mama said leave, don't be a follower. So when y'all niggas partying, I'm tryna get my dollars up. I think when I'm fucking, it's the only time I give a fuck. Life ain't easy, but a nigga never giving up. Filling up my pockets, thinking how I'm gon' fill them up. Yeah, I'm getting money, feeling like I never get enough. He talk that hot shit, it's Tupac, we come and hit him up. Middle of the summer, ambulance and come and get him up. All y'all niggas talk if y'all want, but is y'all niggas up? Run up in your spot with the duffel, nigga, give it up. Used to call Norman a nigga and watch him stick it up. Remy or the Henny, I don't know, we bout to mix it up. Wartime with my niggas and my niggas gripping up. My niggas is my niggas and that's why I'm never switching up. Walk around with my head down, I had to pick it up. Niggas ain't your niggas, confrontation, niggas bitching up. Whipping work at home and I ain't tryna fuck the kitchen up. Put it in the freezer while a nigga wash the dishes up. Gotta get it for my daughter, show this girl some different stuff. My grandpa don't speak, well I don't really even miss him much. I'm just in my fucking zone, love nobody, everybody gotta die alone. Nigga, I'm a Rolling Stone, smoking weed, getting dome. Nigga, I trap like the kid off a Home Alone. Flow, no overflowing, sticks and stones won't hurt your bones until a bullet thrown. 40 cal, 50 cal, Mayweather, Pacquiao. Used to have the scary flow, catch a nigga snapping out. Burger King fronted on a nigga, got me trapping now. Everybody saying I can make it, I be rapping now. Disappear on niggas, make them notice that I'm not around. I ain't never slacking, getting money when I'm not in town. Bitches like to dip and don't come back around. Bitch, don't come back around. I ain't with the move around. My mother said, nigga, what you doing? Better choose it now. Well, I like this rap shit, I think I'm about to do it now. Disrespect my fam, then I know I gotta shoot him down. I regret being the class clown, cause look where I'm at now. I gotta be responsible, I know I can't back down. And if you wanna know, Jack Boy is my background. So nigga, how that sound? Real niggas snitching when it goes down. Nigga looking slow now, I'm on it, I'ma let a nigga know now. In the spotlight, so now it's time for a showdown. Ready just to go down, no more flipping off of old now. $1 million dreams, tryna get it for my whole town. Making money off the breakdown, move a whole pound. Don't sell crack, so the fiends getting sold now. Nigga was a problem, but he acting like a hoe now. I be laughing, I know how it goes now. Money won't fold now, so my old friends acting funny style. Why these niggas mad? Cause they see me with some money now. Infrared beam on your nose, nigga, you a clown. I think I found the answer, it was Nike, I just do it now. Retarded, I go stupid now. Bitches on my dick like I'm new around. Ballin' like I'm hooping now. Melly always ready, so you know it's time to do it now. I know you hear the education. Out of pocket, I shoot, no hesitation. I know I'm about to make it, I'm just fucking waiting. Never fold under pressure, any situation. That's why these niggas hating, and they bitches waiting.
Love you always, baby.
Representing live and direct. Yeah. Throw love to my niggas.